Hello, AACPS teachers, and welcome to the October 2020 vodcast. In this video, we're going to talk about speech-to-text tools available for students. Some of our youngest learners are not yet proficient with typing. Even our older students are often reluctant to share their ideas when asked to type into a document. So by showing them speech-to-text, we can sometimes help students get their ideas on the page. In this video, we're going to talk about two specific options for speech to text. The first is the voice typing feature that is built into Google Docs. The second is the dictation accessibility feature that is available on our Chromebooks, which will work in any application that gives your students an active field where they could type. Instead of typing, they're going to be able to talk and have their words typed out for them. So let's get out of this presentation and let's begin with voice typing in Docs. So here I have a blank Google document ready for me to begin adding my text. And in order to get the voice typing tool, I'm going to click up here where it says Tools on my menu, and I'm going to choose voice typing about halfway down here. And what that's going to do is it's going to put a microphone on the left-hand side of my screen. And when I'm ready for it to begin typing what I want to say, I'm simply going to click on the microphone, and it's going to turn red, and everything that I say while the microphone is red will be captured. If I want it to stop capturing what I say, I click on the microphone icon again, it turns black, and it's no longer capturing what I'm saying. One of the things that you may notice about what it's capturing is that it's not attempting to add any punctuation or capitalization. So you could very quickly end up with what looks like one giant run-on sentence on this page unless you learn how to use some of the voice commands. So let's try this again, but adding a couple of voice commands. New paragraph. I really like dogs! Exclamation point. I think that they are soft and cute and fluffy. Period. That's a very simple example of learning to use just a little bit of punctuation, but there are lots of different voice commands that students can use to make their voice dictation look a lot more like the type of typed text that we expect from them. To help your students learn any of the commands available, you'll want to click on this question mark icon in the bottom right. What that's going to do is open the voice typing help over here on the right-hand side. And if you scroll down just underneath of where it shows you the step 1 and 2, you'll see that they have a menu here dedicated to the voice commands for punctuation, but also an option for additional voice commands. So wanting to get features like a new paragraph, italics, go to the end of the line, and so on. All of this information here will help students learn how to add different features to their voice typing, again, so that it looks more like the natural text. Let's jump over to the Chromebook and see that dictation option. So on the Chromebook, we click in the bottom right, and then we click here where it says accessibility, and then we click on dictation, and finally continue. And what that does is it adds a microphone to the bottom right-hand corner of your Chromebook. And anytime you're working in an application that allows you to type text, in order to use the voice dictation, you simply click in the workspace and then click on your microphone and begin speaking instead of typing. So in this example, we're going to talk about using it in the chat in Google Meet. So if I want to share something with my class, but I'm not a proficient typer, I'm going to use this dictation option. So I click on my chat, and then I click right here where I would normally type, and then I click on my microphone, and I say, "Excuse me, teacher, but I would like to share something with the group." And then I click the send so that it appears in the chat for my teacher and all of my classmates. Thank you very much for watching the October vodcast brought to you by the Office of Instructional Technology. I hope you and your students will enjoy using some of the speech-to-text features available to us.